Hello everyone, my name is Mehek. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing fine and safe, and I hope you all are reading. This past 1 week, I picked up this book called Talking to Strangers by Malcolm Gladwell. Now, I heard a lot about this book. In fact, when I posted on my Instagram stories that I'm picking up this book to read next, a lot of people got back to me saying, it's a wonderful read and, you're going to enjoy it. And obviously, I have not, this is the first time that I have picked up this author. I have not read his prior books. And, after hearing so much about him, I thought, it's going to be a wonderful read or something that I have to look forward to. But now that I have finished reading it, I don't know, I'm not sure how exactly I feel about this book. I mean, people who are fan of his book, I'm not sure, I just got what his book is all about, or I think picked up this book with a different expectation altogether. So, I was reading this interview by this author wherein he said, that uh, as a writer, he doesn't look at persuading his readers. As a writer, he's only looking at capturing their curiosity and interest. And I think that's exactly what book did for me. I don't think so. It convinced me or persuaded me to do something. All it did was, capture my interest and attention at various places. So I think talking about the book now, it is so what the author has done is that he has picked up some of the very famous scandals that have taken place in US, investigation and scandals that took place in US. So obviously most of us, like I didn't know about them. I've never come across reading about them. So he has picked up those investigations and scandals, and he has stressed and pointed out at one thing that that through these investigations and scandals, I mean, he actually has written down the exact conversation that has happened between people, and he has pointed out the fact that judging strangers is not easy. I mean, gone are the days when you could just, tell if someone is saying the truth or a lie depending on their demeanor or body language. I mean, usually we think that the person who is saying the truth is someone who would be confident and, would look straight in eye and everything. And the person who is lying is someone who would be fidgety and not look straight into the eye and would be nervous or tensed or something like that. But the author has clearly pointed out through examples that that's not the case anymore. In fact, in most of the cases it is exact opposite. Like one of the instance that he has given the example which most of us can relate to is of Adolf Hitler, wherein he's spoken about his conversation with Neville Chamberlain, who was the former Prime Minister of UK, wherein various instances when Neville has gone and spoken to Hitler, and they've had a friendly conversation and handshakes, and Hitler was someone who looked into Neville's eyes, and say that he's not going to go on the war and they're friends and etc. And the next moment, he's done exactly the opposite of that. So clearly, the author has pointed out that somewhere are he's like through the investigations and all, he's pointing out that how our CIA officers, our judicials, our judges, and whatever tools we have for judging, it's all messed up, it's all wrong. And yeah, so this is what he has discussed. Now basically this book is all about that. But the problem with my with the book was, personally I felt that, like, when I read the title Talking to Strangers, what we should know about the people we don't know. So first thing, the author has picked up instances of investigation, sexual assaults and scandals in something. So it's not something that is happening in real life, and obviously it's not something that I can relate to, until unless as a reader I'm a part of a similar situation. So first thing is that. Second thing is that, okay, I have all the information that that I can't judge strangers depending on their body language or their demeanor, and people could look straight in my eye and be confident and still lie. So I have all that information. Now what do I do with it? Like, I'm not sure if writing if after reading this book, uh, do I have a better sense of talking to strangers? No, I mean, obviously not. And do I know how to better start a conversation, or how to better judge a stranger? No, that's clearly not happening. So I think somewhere as a reader, I was quite lost while reading this book. I mean, I had all the instances and examples where people have gone wrong, in judging a stranger. But then, what do you do now? What is the next thing? Like, how do you become better at it? for me, maybe I misunderstood because I thought, talking to strangers like this book would be something that would have real life instances, or that would, at least give you a pathway or a better understanding of, how do you really start a conversation or talk to strangers or something like that, But clearly, it was not that. I mean, I just got all the instances where we go wrong, but then I have the information now. I don't know what to do with it. Like, so yeah, I just felt as a reader that although the book has a very abrupt ending. So as a reader, I felt that the writer leaves you hanging, in some parts. So yeah, lastly, I mean, I just felt like although the book does catches your interest and, curiosity levels at few instances, like if you're someone who likes reading about crime scenes and investigations and, history and everything, so you would enjoy this at, I mean, it would definitely catch your interest. But other than that, I mean, I don't know, it was not really a great good book for me. Someone who has read probably can let me know in comments what you like about this book, or, a great insight that you had while reading this book. But for me, I'm not too sure if I like this book. Yeah, that's it about this book, and I hope you guys pick up a book or pick up this book. If you're reading, let me know your thoughts on the same, and I will see you next week with a new book. Thank you. Bye.